Tired of losing your precious Minecraft worlds or wrestling with clunky file transfers for your server? We've got the ultimate solution integrating Dropbox to make managing your Minecraft server a breeze. First, ensure you have Dropbox installed and running on the computer that hosts your Minecraft server if you don't have it. Head to Dropbox.com and download the desktop app once installed. Locate your Minecraft server's main folder. This is where all your world data, plugins, and configuration files reside. Now, the magic begins. Right-click on your Minecraft server's main folder. You'll see an option within the Dropbox menu to move to Dropbox or copy to Dropbox. Choose whichever you prefer. Moving it will put the entire folder directly into your Dropbox, while copying will leave the original and create a synced copy in your Dropbox. Once you've moved or copied the folder, Dropbox will begin syncing it to the cloud. You can monitor the progress directly in your Dropbox folder or on the Dropbox website. This ensures all your server data is safely stored remotely. To run your server from this location, simply launch your Minecraft server as you normally would, but point it to this Dropbox Installed folder. Any changes you make to your server world, like building new structures or adding plugins, will automatically be saved and synced to Dropbox in the background. This integration makes backups incredibly simple. A circumflex euros. Just let Dropbox do its thing. Transferring your server to a new machine or sharing worlds with friends becomes as easy as sharing a Dropbox link. You get unparalleled ease of administration and the absolute peace of mind knowing your data is preserved. So, say goodbye to server headaches and hello to effortless Minecraft server management with Dropbox. Happy gaming and happy syncing.